Hey guys, welcome to Rookie Code, and today for one of my applications I'm having to put some user roles, one being admin. So right now I'm currently learning and showing you how I'm going to implement admin to my application. So my application is called Site Pro, and it's basically just a asset management app for different building companies. And pretty much what I want the admin to be able to do is only the admin can see these two buttons up here, and only they can edit it. So just a general user is not able to delete or edit any of the site or products within the site. Cool, so let's get to it. So what I've done so far is I've searched up Clerk user roles, and it's taken me to this. So apparently I need to add this customized session token, which I've done up here. So that's all I've got to so far, so I'm going to continue through. We need to add some types, so let's do that now. Okay, we're actually going to make a new folder, and we're just going to pretty much name it the exact same as what we had it as before. And one thing I like to do generally is if I'm having to copy code down that I see from a website or just these guides that on docs from different sites, if you're using different like for me, I'm using Clerk for my authentication. So yeah, I'm just on their docs and checking out how they would do it. So yeah, I generally like to just type them out myself instead of copying and pasting, because then it sort of sits in my head a little better. Sweet. So that should be good up there. So we need to set the admin role for my user. Okay. So let's go to users, I'm assuming. Okay, sure, I'll just use my Gmail. So public option just down here. Sweet. And we want to add role admin. Cool. No capital, I'm assuming. No. Save that. Okay, so I don't know if I need necessarily to have an admin dashboard. I think what I need is a reusable function to check the roles, which seems about right. Yep, so we need to add to this roles type. So we need to add a type Sweet. So alright, cool. So basically what I'm pretty much planning for this to happen is pretty much write a conditional like what has been done down here. Yeah, so I'll make this and see what they've done down here in this spot. Said I'll put as if check role is admin. So if that's true, then I'll say these components here will be visible, and if not, then they're not. So hopefully this can make it a bit easier. This is quite a simple app at the moment, and it's not for many different building companies at the moment. It's just specified for one. I guess if this app does branch out, then it could be for more than just one, but at the moment I've only got it simplified to just for just one site, so only the one admin for the site can delete this stuff. Otherwise if there was multiple building companies, and let's say they all had this site in this one spot, then they'd all be able to edit them, delete them, which could be pretty hectic, which we don't want. Okay. So that should be good, and within the utils, we're now going to create a new folder. So we're going to create a new folder, and we'll, just like on the docs, we're going to call it roles.ts. I'm going to import roles from globals, and also import auth from Clerk. Okay. Okay. Const session claims equals auth return session dot metadata dot role, because we just added that metadata before. So yeah, what this function does is what we can read down here. This check role helper will accept a role using the roles type and will return true if the user has that role, or false if the user does not have that role. Sweet. So whenever we use this, we can pass in a role, which for me, I want to use the admin role. So we can pass that in and check if that user is classed as admin or not. And if they are admin, then they'll be able to see certain things. If not, they won't be able to see certain things. Okay, so that is good. That is good. So for me, I'm already signed in, so I should be able to see it once I add this feature. So we need to head to this component. What component is it? This is a problem sometimes. Yes, single site card. Yeah, alright, sweet. So you can see right here, this div, I want it so that if the check role is equal to admin, then we can access this div. If not, then they can't access the div, meaning that they are not able to edit sites, which is ideal. Okay, so I had this error persisting for a wee while, and I searched up a lot of things. I tried a little bit of ChatGPT, but what I found that I'm pretty sure that should work. Okay, let's try. User. Whoops. Oh, we can keep that. Use user, and then is admin be user dot public metadata. Do we not have public metadata? Dot role, oh shit, is strictly equal to admin. Sweet, so in the end we actually did not even, oh wait, did we? Oh no, that's because this is being done. Alright. That really does suck, but you know, it happens. And yeah, well let's also see if it works for my other account. Okay, Yep. Okay, well, positive thing is it works, and that's what we want. So I guess I'm stoked with that. I guess what we could do now here is we could change this roles.ts function. We could change that to a use client. Keep that use role, I think is what it was called. What was it called? Use user, sorry. Use user, set that to user. There we go, we can call that use check role, and then within here return user public metadata dot role equals role. There we go. Sweet. Now let's test it. Sweet. W in the chat. There we go. So that's good. So that is how I've integrated admin into my site. But the only thing that means for me from now on is that if I want to add someone as admin, I do have to go into the user's public metadata and add role as admin, like how it looks here. I will have to do that, but at some point, if I don't want to do that, this is only small, so there'll only be like 2 or 3 people that actually need to be admins, so I'm not too fussed about putting them in manually. But yeah, just like up here, there is a way that they have given us a demonstration how to use the set role. So if you guys do want me to do that, I could do that. But yeah, all in all, success, I reckon. I got through the challenge. So thank you guys very much for watching, and do subscribe. Thank you very much.